Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to fix Instagram not responding on your Android device. If Instagram freezes, crashes, or refuses to respond properly on your Android phone or tablet, there are a few things you can try to resolve the issue. We will walk you through simple steps to ensure you can quickly fix any problems preventing the app from working correctly. First, restart the Instagram app. This refreshes the app and clears any temporary glitches that could be causing it not to respond. To restart Instagram, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access the app switcher. Find Instagram and swipe up over it to close the app. Wait a few seconds and then tap Instagram again to reopen it. If restarting does not improve responsiveness, try clearing Instagram's cache and data. This removes temporary files and information that could impact performance or cause crashing. To clear Instagram's cache and data, open your Android settings and tap Apps and Notifications. Find Instagram and tap to open it. Select Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Restart your device and attempt using Instagram again. If Instagram continues functioning improperly, update the app to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes become unstable, so ensuring you have the most recent update installed helps prevent issues. To update Instagram, open the Google Play Store on your Android and search for Instagram. Tap Update next to the app to install any available updates. Once the update finishes, restart your phone or tablet and try using Instagram again. Uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram will remove any corrupted files, preventing proper functionality if other methods do not help resolve the problem. To uninstall and reinstall Instagram, open your Android settings and tap Apps and Notifications. Find Instagram and tap to open it. Select Uninstall and confirm to remove the app. Return to the Google Play Store and search for Instagram again. Install the latest version of the app. Restart your device once Instagram installs and attempt using the app again. In summary, if Instagram will not respond or function correctly on your Android, try restarting the app, clearing its cache and data, updating the app, or uninstalling and reinstalling the app. These methods should fix any issues preventing Instagram from working properly. Please let us know if you have any other questions or require further assistance. Like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips were useful in helping you resolve any problems with Instagram responsiveness or performance on your Android device. Provide feedback or comments below regarding any other topics you would like us to cover in future videos. Hello everyone.